Eggs and cheese hole. Yeah, that way. Let's see that face, baby. Say happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. Yeah. Mia, say happy anniversary. Hey, say happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. Say happy anniversary, man. Yeah, I'm ready. You killing my sentence, man. Happy anniversary. Yo, your man right here is a pervert. Yeah? That way. Big trip. Good looking, y'all.
Yeah, my wonderful people. It's me again. The great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. And remember now, if you subscribe to this channel, leave a comment so I can give you a shout out. If you subscribe, leave a comment. Now, I'm doing this piece on this Jamaican guy who came here, don't really have much family, set up a couple smoke shop in Arizona. He moved from Brooklyn, New York, him and his wife, and his wife end up killing him. Notice what it say, man shot dead at his business in Phoenix, Arizona. I am going to move along with this story and I'm going to point it out bit by bit. Let's go. This guy, him and him girl, them live in New York for many years. Him not have much family. They got married and moved to Arizona. Upon moving to Arizona, him set up a smoke shop. I think it called Fame. I have a lot of the different pictures and stuff. But yeah, the video you see at the beginning, that was him, his wife and his friends celebrating their wedding anniversary. Now, sometime back in 2020, late 2020, he was outside his business and somebody called him name. He looked around and the person shoot him. Police was investigating the incident and then they got a hot lead. Now, upon getting the lead, somebody told them to look into the wife. They went ahead and got her phone records. And when they got her phone records, the police realized she had a guy in New York who she texted to say, he's here now. I hope you can handle this. The guy, according to the police, came from New York that same day and shot her husband. But, listen to me now, but there's a unique twist to this case. But before I go there, so there's another twist. And I want to talk about the second twist before the first one. I hope I'm not confused, But let's go. Now, look at the screen in front of you. That's their baby, a little girl, and this is the second twist. This baby don't look nothing like this guy, and people are talking on Facebook about this baby. This little girl looks nothing. She don't favor him, none at all. So people are saying the wife give him a jacket and let him take out life insurance. You hear what I'm saying? She give him a jacket and then let him take out life insurance. Yo, I always say human being are the worst kind of animal. My mother usually say, you can't even trust yourself, much less for trust people. Now, they had a full life because this guy had money, he come from Jamaica, he not have no family. He was able to leave Brooklyn, him and her get married, go Arizona, them start life, him start a whole like chain of smoke shop. Them sell weed and them thing there. Cause you know it's legal long at them place there. And look what happened to this young man. As we move, or as I move along, I'm gonna go back to the first twist. And the first twist is that when the hitman want to listen to me now. That girl I want wicked bomber clock girl. Hey, me I tell you now. Hey, mankind wicked, you know. Hey, me do some research. And what the research say is that we have a special energy around we as human beings, you know. Everybody, the trees, them have it. And we have disrupt that energy. We don't have the advanced science to really figure it out yet. But this is from researching ancient information, is that this energy is disrupted and it causes a sickness. And pretty much mankind, it drives them mad. And when I say mankind, I mean everybody. Cause will fuck up the vibration. But anyways, let me continue now this. So when the hitman shoot the youth, him never dead. The wife was in the office, in the store, in the business. She waited 10 minutes. She get her gun and come out and shoot the man in her head, shoot her husband in her head. That's what she did. That's the first twist. Remember, I'm going to the baby twist, cause the baby no look like him and the life insurance. But this wicked blood clot girl, after the man gets shot, before she called the ambulance, what she did, she come out her office with a gun and shoot the man in her head. A witness, she never knows that somebody was looking. And a witness saw it and tell the police. So after the police, somebody called the police and one of them friend them say look into her, call the life insurance and the baby. Another witness came forward and said they watched her come out and shoot the man. Now, there was other evidence to back this up because there was blood in the office and like she walking out the blood and some other things. And that's how she get caught. This is an ongoing trial, cause right now she in a jail in Arizona. You understand? And it's going on. Now, this is a wicked young lady. Now, I'm not too sure, but they say she's from Trinidad and he's from Jamaica and in Merrimaids, Arizona. You could check out the Facebook page for this man. Him name Macho. You understand? Them call him Macho. I may have see the picture of them, see all of the things now you can look on them. And this man buried in Arizona. I'm hear say him gravestone not even have a headstone on it. Him not even buried at Jamaica. But you see how people can end up in life. You see how people can end up in life. It's just sad. The lady we married and love did him like that, yo. And now she's sitting in jail in Arizona on first-degree murder charge. If you like what I'm doing, subscribe and leave a comment. My name is Countryman. This is one of the worst cases I've ever seen in my life. Worse than the gangster them at Jamaica. My name is Countryman, I'm out, yo.